In the height of summer, little beats the fun of cooking and eating outdoors. And while a charcoal barbecue is often the traditional choice, gas barbecues are increasingly popular for those that just want to get on and cook. A gas barbecue heats up quickly, maintains an even temperature distribution, and also gives you the option to slow cook or roast. A huge range of barbecues are available, with specialist brands producing entry-level, mid-range and high-end models, but DIY and supermarket brands also produce their own ranges. Prices can start at as little as £65 and go up to over £1,000 for those who really take their outdoor entertaining seriously. Although it's tempting to buy products online, it pays to have a look at a range of barbecues in person before you decide. When choosing a barbecue, consider the following. Gas barbecues need to be built before you can use them, but the difference in the size of the box product can be vast. Cheaper models usually need more assembly, but do bear in mind that the higher-end barbecues often come in large, even huge boxes and can be hard to move. Check what size box your barbecue comes in and how much assembly is needed if flat packs are not your thing. Some barbecues are designed to be garden features. Once assembled, they are sturdy, robust, and often difficult to move from their spot on the patio. Smaller, lighter models can be wheeled out of the shed just in time for summer, but do check these are stable and not wobbly when assembled. A barbecue needs to feel safe and secure when you're cooking on it. If you're planning on holding barbecue parties, then opt for models with at least 3 or 4 burners and a large grill so you can cook enough food for everyone all at the same time. For barbecues with a group of about 6, a 2-burner gas grill should be enough. A warming rack is useful for keeping food hot if you need to batch cook or are cooking things that take different amounts of time. Side tables are handy for extending your workspace, but they do add time to the assembly process, and if they don't fold down, take up space in storage. If you like sauces with your barbecue, then a side grill could be just what you need, but they are fiddly to set up. It can also be tricky to see when they're alight, so safety may be an issue with some models. The height of the grill needs to be right for you. Check this is roughly at waist height to make cooking as easy and comfortable as possible. The distance between the grates and the gas can have a huge effect on the quality of the cooking, so check this isn't too close or the food will burn and char before it cooks on the inside. The grill itself needs to be of good quality so it's sturdy and long-lasting. Cast iron and porcelain coated are the most robust. Barbecues can get dirty and greasy very quickly, so look for models with drip trays that are simple to empty and parts that can be removed and cleaned easily. Some can even be washed in the dishwasher if time is precious. Many models have a temperature gauge on the lid, which makes checking the heat of the grill easy, but some also include added features such as a light, tool hooks and digital thermometer connections. Finally, check if the barbecue comes with a warranty and how long it lasts. They can range from 100 days to 15 years. To use. Once assembled, all gas barbecues require a gas canister, which needs to be bought separately. The gas is connected to the barbecue with a hose and regulator, and although most models come with these ready connected, you may have to attach them yourself or purchase them separately at an additional cost. To start cooking, turn the switch and press the ignition. Alternatively, you can use a match to light the gas. This is attached to a lighting rod and inserted into the hob. The switch is then turned and the gas should catch and light. Once the gas is lit, close the lid to allow the heat to build up and reach the required cooking temperature. It can take between 5 and 10 minutes before the grill is hot enough to cook on. The lid can be kept open or closed depending on what you're cooking. When you finish cooking, it's always worth cleaning the barbecue to prevent a build-up of grease and food. Once it has cooled down, turn off the gas supply and remove the grills and any plates protecting the burners. Wash them with hot soapy water or a specialist barbecue cleaner. Remove the drip tray and empty into the rubbish, and finally wipe the lid inside and out, the shelves and any other surfaces. If you are planning on leaving your barbecue outside all year round, it's wise to invest in a cover to protect it against the weather. Smaller models can also be moved indoors into a shed or garage for storage. Good luck choosing your barbecue and happy cooking.